I wrecked again. I'm actually... Fuck! I'm like... God damn it! It's like stuck under my bike.
Holy shit!
I told you I hit another tree!
Jesus Christ, dude. I gotta get this.
Alright, please get a picture. I think
Hang on.
I don't know.
Your exhaust is over again.
My fucking Oreo sticker, man!
Your Oreo bird.
Oh, your exhaust's still good.
Oh, I took a bigger section of paint off, though.
You might want to check your front tire. Make sure it's not bent.
Alright.
This is a big fucking rock. How the hell did you hit that?
Dude.
You pushed that rock over here.
Yeah, it was down. It was right there. It jumped out right in front of me, man.
Sorry. Watch this rock.
Let me get on the other side.
Yeah. Mike, sleep.
I was gonna go like so you can push it down this way.
Here? Thought I had it neutral.
I got it.
Oh, mother. I just wrecked right there.
Still in gear. Pull in the clutch.
Pretty serious vegetation.